Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add text in the coffee foam using Photoshop. From this to this. Start by opening your image in Photoshop, then drag and drop your logo into the project. Now resize the logo and place it right in the center of the coffee cup. Go to the layer options, right-click on the logo and select rasterize layer. Go to filter and select Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 2.3, then hit OK. Zoom in. Now import the Color 1 image. Then go to the layer options, select the logo layer, click on FX and choose Bevel and Emboss. Choose Pillow Emboss. Set the depth to around 344 and set the direction to down. Keep the size low, around 3, and set Soften to 3 as well. Set the highlight opacity to 57. Then click on the shadow color, go to the color library, click the picker, select your color, and hit OK. Finally, set the shadow opacity to 70. Hit OK. Now, delete the Color 1 layer and import the Color 2 layer. Select the logo layer and click on FX. Choose Stain. Set the blending mode to Color. Go to the color library, click the picker, select your color, and hit OK. Set the opacity to 94 and distance to around 33. Adjust the size as needed. Now, click on Color Overlay. Set the blending mode to Color again, and choose white as the color. Hit OK. Once again, hit OK to apply all effects. Then, right-click on the logo image and select Convert to Smart Object. Change the blending mode from normal to multiply. To duplicate the layer, drag the logo layer to the plus icon, or press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Now change the blending mode from multiply to screen. Click on FX and choose Blending Options. Under the underlying layer slider, hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the handles to adjust the blend. When it looks right, hit OK. Now set the layer's opacity to 90%. Next, press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to merge everything into a new layer. Finally, select the Patch tool and start cleaning up. Do this slowly. Take your time and make it perfect.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.